Graphing an equation. The standard form of an equation is written as ax plus by equals c. However, we might feel much easier if we use this form of equation, y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. And I will define what those terms means. You already know slope, but intercept, we'll discuss it. And graphing an equation using 2 points. Suppose we have an equation, let's say y equals to 2x plus 3. If we want to graph this line into Cartesian plane, in this situation, it's just sufficient for us to use 2 points. Okay, so let's make a table. This is x and this is y, and this is the point x comma y, combination of both x and y. Okay, let's choose x to be 0. So if we plug in 0 in here, then this would be 2 times 0 plus 3. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3 itself, so that's 3. X is 0, y is 3, the corresponding number is 3. So 0 comma 3 is the first point, which lies somewhere here. Okay, 0 comma 1 2 3, 3 units upward. Now we need to choose another distinct point. So for that, let me choose negative numbers. Let us choose it far apart. So negative 1, that is 2 times negative 1 plus 3 equals 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 3 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So negative 1 comma 1 is another ordered pair, another point. Negative 1 comma 1 lies somewhere here. Negative 1 comma 1. Now let's join these two lines, these two points. The second way to graph an equation of a straight line is to use x and y intercepts. By the name x intercepts and y intercepts, we mean the points that the line touches y-axis and x-axis. Okay, so this point 0 comma 3 is the y-intercept for this line y equals to 2x plus 3. But officially speaking, the distance between the origin and the point where the line meets the y-axis is known as y-intercept, and the distance between the origin and the point where the line meets the x-axis is the x-intercept. So this could be, say, negative 0.75 comma 0. So those are x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Okay, now let's try to see how we can find the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Let's take a straight line, equation of any straight line. 3x plus 4y equals 12. We come up with a table. This is x, this is y, and this is x comma y. Okay. Now, to find x-intercepts, we plug in 0. Okay. This will give us x-intercept. Okay. This will give us x-intercept. So let us plug in this value y equals 0 in this equation. Then you will see that for x-intercept, 3x plus 0 equals 12, right? Okay, if y equals to 0. Then x equals to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Thus, 4 is the value of x. Then our first point, or the x-intercept, is simply 4, or the point is 4 comma 0. This point is x-intercept. Now for y-intercept, we do similar kind of thing. For y-intercept, we let x equals to 0. Okay. Then if we plug in 0 in this equation, then we will be getting y-intercept, which is this quantity is 0 plus 4y equals 12. So that's y equals 12 by 4, that's 3. So value of y is 3, and the point is 0, 3, or simply you can go 3 units upwards. So this is y-intercept. Thus we have x-intercept and y-intercept, and then let us join these 2 points. So that's our 3x plus 4y equals 12. So remember, whenever we are trying to find x-intercept, you plug in y equals to 0 in the equation. Similarly, reverse the process. If you are trying to find y-intercept, then let x equals to 0.